Welcome to the instructions video for the Pressure Interactive Calculator. This handy tool lets you convert pressure values between 7 different units instantly, including PSI, bar, Pascal, kilopascal, megapascal, atmospheres, and millimeters of mercury. It's perfect for engineers working with hydraulic systems, vacuum chambers, or international specifications. Using this calculator is straightforward. You'll see input fields for each pressure unit. Simply enter a known value into any one of the fields. For example, let's say you have a hydraulic system rated at 3000 psi and need to know the equivalent in other units. Enter 3000 into the psi input field. The calculator will automatically convert and display the corresponding values in bar, Pascal, kilopascal, megapascal, atmospheres, and millimeters of mercury. This is especially useful when working with equipment from different countries that use different pressure standards, or when consulting technical specifications that list pressure in unfamiliar units. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.